10 tons of rock, moving it with a barrel, wheelbarrow, cart, whatever you want to call it. And supervisor, Jet, he's back there. Is it to your standards? Yeah, it is. Fun. So the landscaping wall, as I'm going to call it, not a retaining wall, a landscaping wall, is coming together. That was a bigger pile, but it's a little bit smaller. Scoop by scoop. And all this has to be done and ready for the builders come Monday. And today's Friday. Should have rented some heavy equipment, but too late for that. Let's get to work. So I was looking into something that I ain't never done before, and that was messing with the stock market. 38 in May, never done anything with it before, so it was kind of exciting. I got on there, and of course the first thing I went and looked at was Spirit Airlines, and I was sitting here thinking, man, that stuff's pretty cheap. I'm gonna get with the Spirit. So I went and bought some stocks with old Spirit Airlines. You know, the one that you get on the airplane and you're like, Lord, I hope the Spirit's with me so I can make it home. But I got on there today, take a little water break, and I'll check the stocks. When I looked, it wasn't there. Apparently, somebody has called a priest, and they have exorcised the spirit from the stock market. Somebody needs to call him back and unexorcise and put spirit back in, because now I've lost money, but it won't much. 40 cents a share. I bought 50. But still, the Spirit left me. Jack got up just for a second. Told me my break was too long and it was time to get to work. It's time to get it back working. Is that a yes? I should get back to work. When are you going to shovel some rock? I'm waiting on you. You're to help. And you're just going to stare at birds. Can't find good help these days. Well, I made it to my first official break. There's still a lot of rock, and I got another load coming this afternoon. This is gonna be a long day. Well, while I take my first break, take a look at my dad's 99 two-door Z71 Tahoe 5.7. It's got about 174,000 miles. Definitely needs some new headlights. This truck was his favorite out of the ones that he had. And I got it after he died. I believe April will be 12 years. Wow, yeah, 12 years ago. Old school Euros, Spaniards, whatever you want to call them. It does not have the barn door, which, you know, I like a good tailgate. I put some new tires on it about a year and a half, 2 years ago, because they were definitely getting bald. It's got a Flowmaster 40. That's what it come with. Little Weston tube bars. The front end needs some readjustment, but overall, it's a good riding vehicle. Apparently, only locked one door. It needs a little cosmetic work, but the inside, crack dash, why not? They all have them. Cloth seats. 157,944. Oh, the gas tank there is for the 76, along with the seats. Those were the original seats that come out of it. They got reupholstered, and I'll eventually get them put in. Yeah, there's some more spare parts back there. But this beast will get up and go. It's been a very reliable vehicle, other than the front end, of course, need a little work, but she's solid. Old XM radio modified and put up in the roof. That thing used to work all the time, and then all of a sudden it quit. That's like the old school XM that was just plug and play, and I don't know what happened. Maybe somebody stopped paying for the prescription. The subscription. But anyway, this is the 5.7 99 two-door Tahoe.